Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the details of the DuroMax Generators battery system. We'll answer some frequently asked questions to help you understand how it works and why it's so reliable. Let's get started. First up, does the generator automatically recharge the 12-volt battery while running? The answer is yes. All of our electric start generator models will automatically recharge the onboard battery while the generator is running. As you can see here, when the generator is operational, it continuously recharges its onboard battery, ensuring you're always ready for the next start. Now, what does the recharge indicator light mean? This light is simply letting you know that the generator is recharging its onboard battery. The light will stay on until the 12-volt battery is fully charged. So, when you see this light on, it means the generator is doing its job, making sure your battery is fully charged and ready to go. What if the battery dies in an electric start generator? Can it still start with the recoil start on single-cylinder engine models? Yes, it can. Our electric start generators can still be started with the pull start feature even if the battery dies. This ensures that you're never left without power, even if the battery isn't charged. In summary, the DuroMax Generators battery system is designed for reliability and ease of use. It automatically recharges while running and can be started manually if needed. We also recommend putting the battery on a tender when not used and running your generator every month. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions in the comments and we'll see you in the next video. Stay powered with DuroMax.